Now that's good service. I only ordered this 10 days ago and it's already here. Here we go. Hey everybody, John here. Welcome back to Catbird Hill. So it is 2 days before Christmas. It's December 23rd, and it is freezing cold here on Catbird Hill in southeastern Pennsylvania. Why am I standing out in, I think it's now about 18 degrees? It's because I love you guys. So first of all, Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you guys have a wonderful celebration of Christmas, and hope you spend a lot of great time with your families and loved ones. So I'm standing in front of the Sawmill. I put a heavy-duty tarp on it because I knew I wasn't going to be getting to unpack it and put it together for a little while. We've got just crazy weather here. For the last 2 days, we've had about 2.5 inches of rain. And this morning, when I got up early, it was about 47 degrees. And like I said, that was, at 5 o'clock this morning. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, and it's about 18-20 degrees right now. The wind chill, I think, is -5. It is crazy cold, and it came all at once, as is typical. So we've got some really cold weather here for the next couple days. I think tomorrow the high is going to be 18, and Christmas Day it's going to be around 20. It's going to warm up next week. Hopefully next week I can start to put this thing together. But as you saw from earlier in the video, I ended up purchasing the Woodland Mills HM130 Max Sawmill. And I'll talk just a little bit about why I chose that sawmill over all the others, and trust me, I looked at just about everything. I kind of knew what my price point was going to be. I wanted this to be more of an entry-level sawmill. I'm not doing this as a business, at least not yet, and I want to learn how to do this well, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money up front. And everybody knows what's happened in the last couple years with the whole supply chain issues and how everything has gotten unbelievably expensive, particularly things made out of metal. So I was watching sawmill prices creep up. I had actually ordered a sawmill, Hudson sawmill, and they're made in New York State. Very impressed with them. There's actually a local dealer only about 45 minutes away from me. I actually ran a number of their mills. That's one of the nice things. The dealer had them set up for me to run. And so I did that about 2 years ago. I was very impressed with those mills. really happy with the dealer, and they were just very customer service oriented. The problem is, it wasn't going to come when I wanted it to. I checked with them, I guess this summer. I placed the order, I think 14 months before, and there was still no definite delivery date for it. And I just got tired of waiting. I had contacted Wood Miser. At the time, I was looking at the Hudson Mill. The Wood Miser products, I mean, they've got a great reputation. A little bit high on the price point side, but I thought I found an entry-level mill that I thought would be good. Same thing, very long lead time. And I started looking at Norwood and Frontier, which I think is part of Norwood, and I was totally dissatisfied with the customer service. I couldn't get anybody to answer an email. I sent emails and placed phone calls, and no one was giving me the information I needed. I started watching a lot of YouTube videos. There's a lot of guys out there that have great channels that advertise that use Woodland sawmills. One of them is Sawing with Sandy, and the other one is Lumberjack. I'll put a link to their channels below in the description. I was very impressed with what they were talking about with their experience with the Woodland Mills sawmills, and also the customer service. They couldn't say enough about the customer service. The price point was perfect. It was exactly where I wanted to be. I got that sawmill, the HM130 Max. I got a number of accessories. I got a cover, extra blades, extra parts. I think I even got a toolbox that'll mount to the end of the rails. With taxes and delivery, it was right around $6,000. And the crazy part of it, the best part of it, was it took me 10 days to get it. From when I placed the order to when the truck showed up, it was exactly 10 days. I know they're not made in the U.S., but the amount of time it would take for me to wait for something U.S. made and the cost just began to get me to the point where I probably wasn't going to get a sawmill. So this is at least going to get me started. So hopefully the next video you see will be me unboxing this and starting to take it apart, and we'll lay out the process for how to get that put together on the base of the shed, the base that I finished up in the previous video. So I'm actually going to build it right back there. If it ever warms up a little bit, it's going to be pretty cold putting this together outside in this weather, so I'm going to let it warm up a little bit. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this journey that we're on with our sawmill and the sawmill shed. A lot of fun videos hopefully coming up. Again, Merry Christmas to you all. Have a blessed holiday with your family and your friends and loved ones. And please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends. Until next time, John here from Catbird Hill. Take care.